Let's practice reading words with the word team A, T. Together, these letters say at. Add C and it says k, at, k, at, cat. Add B and it says b, at, bat. Add F and it says f, at, fat. Add H and it says at, hat. Add M and it says at, mat. Add P and it says at, pat. Add R and it says at, rat. Add S and it says at, sat. Add CH and it says at, chat. Add FL and it says at, flat. At, that. The fat rat with a hat had a chat with a cat on a flat mat. Pat sat and had a chat about that bat.